Hey there! Welcome, Atlanta Cape family. My name is Juwan Torres, and I'm honored to be your Student Government President for the 2024-2025 academic year. Whether you're starting your journey here or you're coming back for another round, I want to personally welcome you to what I know is going to be an amazing year. As your student government, our main job is to be the voice of the student body across all three campuses. We're here to listen, advocate, and make sure your experience at Atlanta Cape is the best it can be. But it's not just about student government. We have over 20 clubs across all three campuses, and you can connect with other students. Whether you're into arts, sports, or technology, there is a club for you. And hey, I get it. Balancing coursework, jobs, and a personal life is no joke. It's easy to come to campus, go to class, and head right back out. But trust me, taking the time to explore your new community and getting involved can make a difference in your life. Remember, Atlanta Cape offers a lot of resources to help you succeed, from career services, tutoring, to a food pantry, a campus closet, and free mental health services. Reach out and ask for help. We're all here to support you. So if you see me around campus, don't be shy. Stop me and say hello. I'm looking forward to meeting as many of you as possible. Here's to a year of success, happiness, and making the most out of every moment. Let's make this year one to remember.